Nestled in the heart of the Deep South, where the Mississippi River winds its course to the Gulf of Mexico, lies a city like no other in the United States. New Orleans, with its rich tapestry of history, culture, and a palpable sense of mystique, has earned a reputation as the most haunted city in America. Beyond its vibrant festivals, eclectic cuisine, and soulful jazz beats, this city pulses with stories of restless spirits, eerie encounters, and centuries-old mysteries waiting to be unraveled. What sets New Orleans apart, drawing countless curious souls and paranormal enthusiasts, is not just its turbulent past, but also its embrace of the supernatural. From the shadowy corners of the French Quarter to the grand avenues of the Garden District, every cobblestone street and historic building whispers tales of ghostly apparitions and unexplained phenomena. Here, history and folklore intertwine seamlessly, creating an atmosphere where the lines between the living and the dead seem to blur, inviting exploration into a world where legends come to life. In this video, we delve into the reasons why New Orleans holds the title of America's most haunted city. We'll uncover the historical events, cultural practices, and local legends that have shaped its haunted reputation, inviting you on a journey through the mysterious and enchanting streets of the Crescent City. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, prepare to be captivated by the haunting allure of New Orleans, a city that wears its supernatural legacy proudly, inviting you to peel back the layers of its ghostly tales and discover the spirits that continue to haunt its soul. A tapestry of history. To understand the ghosts that roam New Orleans, one must delve into its rich and turbulent history. Founded in 1718 by the French, the city has seen periods of Spanish and American rule, each leaving their mark on its landscape and people. The French Quarter, with its narrow streets and iconic architecture, is a focal point for many ghostly tales. The notorious LaLaurie Mansion, for instance, stands as a chilling reminder of Madame Delphine LaLaurie's gruesome acts of cruelty, haunting the imagination of those who dare to pass by. Voodoo and Mysticism. New Orleans is synonymous with voodoo, a spiritual practice that blends African, Catholic, and Native American beliefs. Practitioners, known as voodoo queens and priests, wielded significant influence in the city's early days and continue to capture the public's fascination. The St. Louis Cemetery. Number 1, final resting place of the legendary Marie Laveau, draws visitors seeking blessings and perhaps a glimpse of the supernatural. Disaster and resilience. The city's resilience in the face of adversity adds layers to its haunted reputation. Hurricanes, epidemics, and fires have scarred New Orleans throughout its history, leaving behind stories of lives cut short and spirits unwilling to depart. The tragic events of Hurricane Katrina in 2005, which devastated parts of the city, further cemented its place as a focal point for ghostly encounters and paranormal activity. Southern Gothic charm. Beyond the paranormal, New Orleans exudes a Southern Gothic charm that invites exploration into its darker corners. Ghost tours wind through its streets, narrating tales of lost love, revenge, and restless spirits. The Garden District's grand mansions and oak-lined avenues offer a stark contrast to the eerie ambience of the French Quarter, yet they too harbor secrets from a bygone era. The haunted present. Today, New Orleans continues to embrace its haunted reputation with a mix of pride and intrigue. Historic hotels like the Bourbon Orleans Hotel and the Andrew Jackson Hotel are reputed to host spectral guests, while bars and restaurants claim their own ghostly patrons. Local lore intertwines with everyday life, ensuring that the city's haunted legacy remains a living part of its cultural tapestry. A city of spirits. In New Orleans, the veil between the living and the dead seems particularly thin, allowing stories of ghosts and hauntings to thrive. Whether one is a skeptic or a believer, the city's allure is undeniable. Its streets, steeped in history and mystery, beckon visitors to explore and discover the spirits that continue to shape its identity. New Orleans stands as a testament to the enduring power of myth and legend. Its ghosts, real or imagined, weave through its cobblestone streets and alleyways, whispering tales of love and loss, tragedy and triumph. As the most haunted city in America, New Orleans invites both residents and visitors alike to embrace its spectral side, a journey that promises to reveal as much about the past as it does about the enduring spirit of this enigmatic city. As we dive into the eerie history and ghostly tales of New Orleans, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more spine-chilling content. If you're ready to explore more of America's haunted locations, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, step into the hauntingly beautiful world of New Orleans, Louisiana, where every shadow holds a story and every corner whispers with the spirits of the past. Are you ready to unlock the mysteries of America's most haunted city? Embark on an unforgettable journey with your Terror Tour Guide. Check below for a link of our favorite highly rated tours of New Orleans. Explore the eerie alleys and secret courtyards of the French Quarter, where history and hauntings collide. From tales of voodoo priestesses to tragic love stories, each journey unveils a new chapter in New Orleans' paranormal history. Indulge in exquisite cuisine, dance to the rhythm of live jazz, and let the spirit of the city captivate your imagination on a haunted ghost tour. If you're a thrill seeker, history buff, or simply looking for an amazing, memorable getaway, New Orleans awaits with open arms. To truly understand the haunted soul of New Orleans, you have to experience it for yourself. Come walk its haunted streets, feel the presence of its restless spirits, and discover why the city is unlike any other. But be warned, once you step into the shadows of New Orleans, the spirits may follow you long after you leave.